Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Introducing this exceptional used 2020 Kia Sportage Ex in Pacific Blue with only 23,000 miles. This SUV offers a perfect balance of style, performance, and reliability. With its sleek design and spacious interior, it combines comfort and versatility. Equipped with advanced features like a touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay/Android Auto compatibility, and driver assistance systems, it ensures a modern driving experience. Don't miss the opportunity to own this well-maintained Sportage Ex, providing peace of mind and enjoyable journeys for years to come. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.